2024 Game of Thrones House of the Dragon Season 1 2-box random serial number 58. Let's see what the dice say. They say 6 times. Let's mix up the numbers first. Well, actually, we don't need to mix up the numbers at all. Excuse me. 6 times. Let's just mix up our contestants 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times on the dice. Here are the names and the order. There you go. Will's going to have the 1 spot. JD's brother's going to have the 2 spot. Mike with the 3rd spot. Vintage with the 4. Mike with the 5. Music's brother with the 6. Vintage with the 7 and the 8. Mike with the 9 and the 0 spot. We'll reference those as we need to. And you guys will be able to, you'll see everything up top anyway. I'm just going to print it out and we'll be good to go. I kind of like doing it like this, though. Actually, never mind, it's fine. It's fine. All right, we got 4 more boxes, I think, in the case, and then we get to do the random for the. We get to do the random for the case topper. I know it'll be fun when we start up the next product on Wednesday. 2 days. The new Game of Thrones comes out in 2 days with like a healthy number of autographs compared to this product. This product is amazing, but they're skimpy on the autos. They're all pretty high end though. Next product they spread it a little thinner, but there's more autos. Wow, he's really airing it out there. Okay. Good luck. Yeah, you know, let's start over here. Good luck, House of the Dragon, Season 1. The Dragon Eye here is going to go to the, the 7 spot. Vintage gets the first Dragon Eye. I don't know if I grabbed a pile that has lots of hits or not so many hits. I guess we'll find out. Daemon Targaryen, the 2 spot, Music's brother, on the shiny profile picture. Portrait. Gold foil here, second of his name. The 9 spot, Mike, gets the gold foil. Just realized it's a dragon thing on the wall there. It's kind of cool. Never noticed that before. The 1 spot gets the puffy card. Mr. Will Gilchrist. There's the checklist. I like these puffy cards. You can feel them. They're like actually like the indentations and stuff. The 5 spot, Mike, nice hit. Beautiful picture. This looks like an auto. So I random them in order of appearance. Who's this auto? Matthew Needham. It's going to be our first auto of the 2 boxes. King of the Narrow Sea. I'll put it up here for the random later. King of the Narrow Sea, the 4 spot. Vintage. Gets the throwback art, the original art. Viserys Targaryen, Rhaenyra Targaryen. It's going to go to the 8 spot. Vintage. Love these house cards. House Rivalries, I think they're called. This is House Targaryen. HR4. The 4 spot. Going to Vintage. What?
I can take a sapphire, you have 3.
Yes. Dragonstone here to the 9 spot on the location card for Mike. A dual relic piece here. Let me see if this will fit in this. I think it will. Yep. It does. Dual relic piece here. There we go. Lady Alicent Hightower and King Viserys Targaryen. And that's going to go to the 1 spot for Mr. Gilchrist. Dun-dun-sh. That's like a lawn joke right there, Dale. That's a lawn joke right there. All right, let's go over here this side now. Okay, well, there you go. I didn't know that the auto would be right here. Didn't know it would be in the stack. Didn't know anything. Jefferson Hall is going to be our second autograph of this 2-boxer. I don't know what came out of the first X boxes, but if the inscription auto is still live, then that means it's going to be in one of the last 4 boxes. We like the way here, the 5-spot, beautiful original artwork for Mike. Daemon Targaryen and Rhaenyra Targaryen, the 2-spot. It's going to go to Music's brother. The 1-spot here with the Dragon Eye, Will Gilchrist, and Saw Creston Cole on the 9-spot here for Mike on the profile, the shiny profile card. Give me a moment. Actually, you know what? Never mind. Let's continue. We'll come back to the top one, no problem. Sir Harold Westerling, the 9-spot again for Mike. Gold foil. Are they going to give us any red foil in this 2-boxer? Or no? Are we going to get any red foil? Vagar, the 2-spot on the raised for Music's brother. More raised here. This one is a 0-spot, excuse me. AR-10. Mike, the 10-spot, gets that beautiful boat. What is it called again? The Journey to Storm's End. House Rivals card. The 9-spot has been hot in this break. Mike, nice hit. I love how if you build all those, and same with the dragon cards, how it comes out looking like this awesome family tree or picture. The Arena, that's really cool actually. The 2-spot, not one I've seen as much as the other ones. The Arena. I wonder if there's different rarities to the location spots. Music's brother. I really don't think I've seen that one that much, and I've opened a lot of this stuff. Sir Otto Hightower on the relic piece. The 2-spot. Music's brother. Wow, that's actually gorgeous. What a relic piece. Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen. But that's really pretty. That is really pretty. This will go to the 4 spot. Vintage, nice hit. That's a gorgeous relic piece. Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen. Absolutely gorgeous relic piece. There's red foil, finally, to 50. Daemon Targaryen and Rhaenyra Targaryen. Let's see what the numbering is. It's going to be 15 out of 50. So it's going to go to the 5 spot to Mike. A numbered red foil hit. I was wondering if we were going to get one of those in this 2-boxer or not. And we did. I wonder if we can get a second one. I can't remember how many times we've ever hit more than one, but we're going to try. I forget what these are called, but these are pretty rare. They're usually one every couple boxes. The 6 spot. Music's Brother. These are like the dark, like kind of. I don't know what they're called, but 3 of those checklist cards. Those are my favorite picture in the product, but I feel like that's everybody's favorite picture in the product. We have a spicy meatball in this box. This is supposed to be the lackluster box, but there is a little piece of plastic in here. I'll put it down. We'll finish with it at the end. There may or may not be like a red foil or a gold foil, hopefully a red foil, hiding it somewhere else in this box. There has been, relic piece. Lord Corlys Velaryon, and it's going to go to, excuse me, there's a base card there. It's going to go to the 1 spot. It's the 1 spot going to Mr. Gilchrist, gets the relic piece. Lord Corlys Velaryon. Sir Harold Westerling, let's do these, and then we'll reveal whatever that plastic might be. Damn, it's pretty. The 2 spot it is. Prince Daemon Targaryen to the 2 spot. Music's Brother gets the metal piece here. I don't think these fit in a base. Yeah. 59er maybe? Actually 79er. Nice hits. I want to. I mean, I would love to. I wish I had the time to watch Game of Thrones. I would love to. I love these cards, by the way. These metal cards with the shine. They're really pretty. They're some of the cards in this product don't. They like it's like this, right? Like you obviously can't see anything, but then when you angle it and it shines, it's beautiful. It's nice stuff. We have to random for the autos. All right. All right, so the dice, they're going to say 3 times. So we're going to mix up the contestants 3 times. Here are the contestants. The top spot is going to get the Matthew Needham. The second spot's going to get the Jefferson Hall. Good luck. How many times in the dice? 3 times in the dice. 1, 2, and 3. Mike is going to get the Needham auto, and then Will Gilchrist is going to get the Jefferson Hall auto. Let me mark those up before it gets too late. Oh, I did it wrong. Sorry. Will Gilchrist Will Gilchrist gets the second one. My bad. He gets the Jefferson Hall. I almost mislabeled them. I was reading the wrong list there. And then the Matthew Needham goes to Mike. Sorry, distracted. Mike 111. Let's do a recap here of the two boxer, all right? I feel like they didn't give us as many Dragon Eyes as normal. Really interesting. Very interesting case here. Or interesting two-boxer, excuse me. All right, here's the recap. The Rays, the OG art, the Dragon Eyes. Only two Dragon Eyes. Usually, I feel like we usually get like 4 of those per two-boxer. Damon and Creston Cole on the flashy portraits. The locations, there's the arena, and then the 2 house rival cards. These are usually one every couple boxes. Relic pieces. I love this Prince Rhaenyra Targaryen relic piece. It is absolutely gorgeous. Nice hit vintage. And then Alicent Hightower and King Viserys in the dual patch. Gold foil a couple times there. And red foil. Goes to the 5 spot, Mike with the hit. And then we had this metal card, PG2. Tremendous. Nice hit. Music's brother on the Prince Daemon Targaryen metal piece. We also had these 2 autos. We did the random, and they were won by Mike and Will. The Matthew Needham and the Jefferson Hall. That was 2-boxer of Game of Thrones House of Dragons Season 1. Random Serial 58. Thank you for joining. That was a break.